The three fundamental principles by Shaykh al-Islam Muhammad ibn Abdul Wahhab rahimahullah. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the bestower of mercy. Know, may Allah have mercy upon you, that it is obligatory upon you to learn four matters. The first matter is knowledge, which is to know Allah, His Prophet ﷺ, and the religion of Islam with proofs. The second matter is to act upon it, knowledge. The third matter is to invite to it, knowledge. The fourth matter is to be patient and bear any hardship encountered upon this way. The evidence is His saying, the Most High, in the name of Allah, Ar-Rahman, the Beneficent, Ar-Rahim, the Bestower of Mercy. By Al-Asr, the time. Verily, man is in loss except those who believe in Islamic monotheism, and do righteous good deeds, and recommend one another to the truth, and recommend one another to patience. Surah Al-Asr, Surah 103. Ash-Shafi'i, may Allah the Most High have mercy upon him, said, if Allah had not sent down to His creatures except this surah, it would have sufficed them. Al-Bukhari, may Allah have mercy upon him, said, chapter, knowledge precedes speech and action. And this evidence is His saying, the Most High, so know, O Muhammad ﷺ, that none has the right to be worshipped but Allah, and ask forgiveness for your sin. Surah Muhammad, ayah 19. Thus, He began by mentioning knowledge before speech and action. Know, may Allah have mercy upon you, that it is obligatory on every Muslim, male and female, to learn the following three matters and act upon them. The first, that Allah created us and sustained us, and He did not leave us in vain. Rather, He sent a messenger to us. Whoever obeys Him, the messenger will enter paradise, and whoever disobeys Him will enter the fire. And the evidence is His saying, the Most High, verily we have sent to you, O men, a messenger Muhammad ﷺ, to be a witness over you, as we did send a messenger, Moses ﷺ, to Pharaoh. But Pharaoh disobeyed the messenger Musa ﷺ, so we seized him with a severe punishment. Surah Al-Muzammil, ayah 15-16. The second, Allah is not pleased that anyone be associated with Him in worship, neither any close angel, nor any prophet sent as a messenger, and the evidence is His saying, the Most High, and the mosques are for Allah alone, so invoke not anyone along with Allah. Surah Al-Jinn, ayah 18. The third, that whoever obeys the messenger Muhammad ﷺ and believes that Allah is one, Tawheed, then it is not permissible for him, such person, to be loyal to those who oppose Allah and His messenger, even if they are the closest of his relatives, and the evidence is His saying, the Most High, you, O Muhammad ﷺ, will not find any people who believe in Allah and the Last Day, making friendship with those who oppose Allah and His messenger Muhammad ﷺ, even though they were their fathers or their sons or their brothers or their kindred people. For such He has written faith in their hearts and strengthened them with ruh, proofs, light and true guidance from Himself. And He will admit them to gardens, paradise, under which rivers flow, to dwell therein forever. Allah is pleased with them and they with Him. They are the party of Allah. Verily, it is the party of Allah that they will be successful. Surah Al-Mujadila, ayah 22. Know, may Allah guide you to His obedience, that Al-Hanafiyyah, the monotheism, the religion of Ibrahim alayhi, is to worship Allah alone, making the religion sincerely for Him. This is what Allah commanded all mankind with, and this is the purpose of which He created them. As He, the Most High, said, and I, Allah, created not the jinn and mankind except that they should worship Me alone. Surah Al-Dhariyat, ayah 56. The meaning of to worship Me here is to single Me out in worship. The greatest matter of all that Allah has commanded is Tawheed, which is to single Allah out in all worship. And the gravest matter He forbade is Shirk, which is to supplicate to others along with Him. The evidence is His saying, the Most High, worship Allah and join none with Him in worship. Surah Nisa, ayah 36. So if you are asked, what are the three principles which a person must know? Then say that the servant must know his Lord, his religion, his Prophet Muhammad ﷺ.